Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you are facing Rockstar Game Launcher not working, don't worry about this. In this video, we are going to fix this error, so watch the video till the end. Right click on the Rockstar Game Launcher and go to the properties section. Now click on the compatibility. If compatibility mode checked, then firstly uncheck this. And then apply and OK. Now again, if it is not working, then click on the this PC option and go to C drive and click on the program files. Now scroll down and search for Rockstar Game Launcher and rename this folder. If this method is working, then okay, otherwise follow the next step. Go to the search bar and search here Windows Security. Now click on the virus and threat protection and click on the virus threat protection settings. Click on the minus setting. Now scroll down and go to the exclusions and add a remove extension. Click on it and add an extension. Now click on folder option and select the Rockstar Game Launcher folder. Set here the location of the file and select. As you can see, add. Now again check. If it is not working, then follow the next step. The last solution is go to the control panel and click on the program and files. Now scroll down and right click on the Rockstar Game Launcher and install this. Now go to the official website of Game Launcher and download the file again and install. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe here to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.